In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the bulge angle deformer. However, before I do that, I created a huge mess of animations that I actually do not want to keep, just because I think that I want to do some very specific things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide the mesh and keep the helpers on. Since all of my animations are associated with the helpers, I'm going to select all of them. Now, if I just select one, it's only going to show the animations as selected with that particular helper. So I'm going to try to just make sure I get all of them taken care of. So I'm going to circle all of them. You can see everything down here in the timeline. I'm just going to come over here and say delete selected keys. Right click, delete selected keys. We're all gone. Animations are done. For that anyway. Okay, so I'm going to keep the helpers turned on actually here because I need to do some animation work in this project. So we're going to move the hand into a flexing position so that muscle would be flexing. Clearly, I need to use a joint angle deformer on the elbow because that looks really strange. However, if the arm was bending like this, the muscle would be bulging a little bit right there. And so I'm going to go with that. I'm going to select the mesh. Make sure to turn off auto key. Okay, excellent. And just like using the joint angle deformer, we need to be able to select the envelope that is going to be bending. That's going to make it so that the bicep bulges. That's going to be the forearm, because when you bend your forearm forward and back, that's when your bicep is going to bulge. Also, something I want to take care of here really quickly is I notice that there are some vertices that should not be included, so I'm just going to exclude those from the bicep. And now I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of them. All the ones that I want to be affected. It's probably going to be easier if I extend it out like this. There you go. Okay, so now I'm going to come down here and find the bulge angle deformer. And for this, I'm going to see if I can use soft selection, because that is definitely going to help. I'm going to apply it to that. Oh yeah, you don't have to use soft selection, I forgot, because you move the lattice. So the lattice actually is going to make the work a little bit easier for you, because it allows you to just grab a few points to affect the entire thing. So I'm going to go over here to edit lattice, just like I did last time. And we are going to grab some vertices of the lattice and let's just move them. There you go. He looks like he's appropriately swole for his physique. Or I guess you could make it extreme if you wanted to. But now all I have to do is you scrub left and right. You're going to notice the muscle is going to bulge when the arm moves. So that's how you use the bulge angle deformer. It's pretty simple. In the next video, I'll show you how to use the morph angle deformer, which gives you the ability to do both the joint angle deformer and the bulge angle deformer all at once. The biggest difference there is that you actually have to edit the vertices instead of being able to work with the lattice.